In this video, I will show you how to change Bitcoin address receiver in Exodus Wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus app, and from here, go ahead and click on the tab all the way at the bottom right. From here, we're going to click on Assets under Staking and NFTs. And from here, we're going to select Bitcoin at the top. And once we do that, we're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. And right now we see the legacy address and taproot address, and we also see multiple addresses. And in order to change our address receiver, we're going to select these three. And then we are going to click on the back icon at the top left, click on the X at the top left as well, back, and then to the tab all the way at the bottom left. From here, we're going to click on Receive. And now we're going to select Bitcoin. And as you can see right now, we see arrows at the right and the left. And when we click on this arrow at the right, we see that we have our taproot Bitcoin address in here and our legacy Bitcoin address. And these are the addresses that we just added in the previous screen. So that is how you can currently change your Bitcoin address receiver in Exodus Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.